Now this illustration is a very simple illustration that shows the grounded conductor has to be brought to each piece of service equipment. In the illustration that you see, you have 6 pieces of electrical equipment with a main in each. They're all grouped, but notice to the left, we have 3 panels without neutral loads. So in times past, people would say, well, I don't have a neutral there, so I'll just use the metal conduit to transfer any kind of fault currents. However, the 3 panels to the right has neutral connections. So they'd say, yeah, you got to bring the grounded conductor and neutral conductor there because you have neutral load. All this illustration is showing is that you must bring that grounded neutral conductor to all 6 pieces of electrical equipment, service equipment that you see in this illustration, starting with panel 1 through number 6. Although you don't need it in the 3 panels to the left for neutrals, but you need it for an effective path for the ground fault because this section prohibits the use of the metal conduit alone to transfer the fault currents as they occur.